Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing a few home remedies of pie or hemorrhoid. First of all, we already know what hemorrhoid is, but I'm still going to give you a brief definition of what hemorrhoid is. Hemorrhoid are enlarged and swollen veins around the outside of the anus or in the lower rectum. Now, we know there are some things that can cause this hemorrhoid. One of the things that can cause this hemorrhoid is straining, mostly for people that pass hard stool. When you get constipated and you've not taken enough water, and as a result, you go to the toilet, and while trying to bring out your stool, you end up straining, thereby causing harm to yourself. Secondly, lifting heavy objects can also be a predisposing factor to hemorrhoid. Another cause is increased pressure during pregnancy and being overweight. These are contributing factors to hemorrhoid. So now I'm going to be giving you a few tips or few home remedies for hemorrhoid. One of the steps you can take at home to ease the discomfort caused by hemorrhoid is, first, what you need to do is to take a seat bath for 2 to 3 times daily for 15 to 20 minutes. You will sit in the water covering just your hip and buttocks. This can help reduce itching and irritation, after which you pat that area dry to avoid further irritation. Secondly, you use ice pack in the area to relieve swelling and pain. Then don't push too hard or strain while passing a bowel movement. When you push too hard or you strain too much while going to toilet or while defecating, you know what it can cause. Sometimes it may lead to tearing of the anus. Now, other things that you can do is you clean your anus after each bowel movement by getting patting rather than wiping. You just use a moisturized pad to pat that area. Just use it to pat the area, or you use baby wipes. And so using hard or dry toilet paper which contain fragrances can cause what further irritation. So try to avoid all those papers that have fragrance. Other things you can do is to keep the area clean by bathing or showering daily with dry, warm water. And then another thing you can do is to sit on cushion rather than hard surfaces. This will help to lessen the swelling of the hemorrhoid. Then you also take over-the-counter pain relievers such as acetaminophen, which is paracetamol, or ibuprofen. Then lastly, when you have done all these things and you see that there is no improvement, you try to see the doctor. When you meet the doctor, now the doctor will now determine if it's something that needs surgery to be done on. If it's something that will need surgery, then you know that you will know how to plan for it.